We do a lot of things to lose weight. Lifestyle changes, diet plans, joining fitness club, checking fitbits, buying fancy running shoes, so on and so forth. Are they really worth it? Incredibly, research says certain lifestyle habits and a proper good night's sleep help in losing those extra pounds. Here are the 12 ways by which you can lose weight while asleep. Sleep in complete darkness. Turn around any glowing clocks or get rid of any outdoor lights from your bedroom while sleeping. Research says when you are in complete darkness, your body produces the hormone called melatonin, which not only helps you to sleep better but also helps in calorie burning by increasing brown fat production. Avoid using screens close to bedtime. Before you get ready to go for the night's sleep, stay away from your tablets, smartphones, televisions, etc. Researchers found that the short wavelength blue light, which is emitted by tablets and smartphones, disrupt the production of the hormone melatonin, which in turn disrupts the sleep and calorie burning. Have protein before bed. Protein increases muscle mass and burn more calories each day even while sleeping. You can opt for a protein shake before bed. Sleep in a cold room. Sleep in an air-conditioned room to burn more calories while sleeping. You burn more calories at night when in cold room since the body produces more of good brown fat instead of unhealthy white fat. Spice up your food. Research says consumption of cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes and other hot peppers help in fat burning. The capsaicin found in these foods help the body to burn more fat. Skip chocolate before bedtime. If chocolate is eaten too late at night, this could be one of the reasons that you're not able to have a sound sleep. If you are deprived of sleep, it's not possible to get rid of those unnecessary calories during night. Take a hot shower. Taking a hot shower ensures a good night's sleep because it helps in relieving tension and provides relaxation to sore muscles. By having a good night's sleep, losing weight will be just as easy as that. Eat light dinners. Eating heavy dinner close to your bedtime will make your body take a long time for metabolism. The brain emits a growth hormone when we are in deep sleep. Eating heavy dinners will let the growth hormone store the food still in your body as fat instead of fuel. Get the right amount of sleep. Research says getting the right amount of sleep, around 7 to 8 hours, helps a person to burn more calories than those who are sleep deprived. Also, lack of sleep is responsible for a metabolic change linked with obesity. Schedule workouts early. Everyone knows exercise is one of the best ways to achieve weight loss, but exercising close to bedtime will do more harm than good as far as weight loss during sleeping is concerned. Try not to work out less than 4 hours before bed if you need to have a good night's sleep. Cut out alcohol. Drinking alcohol close to bedtime makes your body to work hard on metabolizing alcohol, keeping you away from achieving a state of REM sleep, a stage in which the body burns the most calories. Add nuts to your meal plan. Research says adding nuts like walnuts and almonds to your diet increases the melatonin levels and promote better sleep and thereby helps in weight loss.